gonna be it. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SRTG Brazy, man. Here with the first night POV drive, man, for y'all boys. And yeah, we're gonna be getting into it. As y'all can see, we in the RT 2017 Dodge Charger RT, man. We'll give y'all the first night POV. You feel me? Let me know what y'all boys thinking down in the comments down below. Let me know what kind of other videos y'all want to see on the car channel. I will be bringing that kind of content. We do got mods on the way. And yeah, man, hey, 2023, sorry, 2024 about to be crazy. God, 2024 about to be crazy, like I said before. 2024 is my year. You know what I'm saying? Whole lot more content on the way. Y'all boys just gotta stay tapped in with me, man. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my camera twin, but yeah, back in action with it. We is indeed using the paddle shifters, of course. That's a must. I can't see you tinted up. That boy can't even see anymore. Hey, SRT Taser on the way too, so y'all boys stay tapped in for that. Got some niggas coming out of Burger King over there. Face yeah. Make sure y'all boy do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Like I said, let me know what other kind of content y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? This year, this channel and my main channel, they definitely going up a whole lot. So, you know, I do care about y'all guys' opinion. Y'all boy gotta let me know what y'all want to see. You know, as you know, supporter to one. Feel me? So y'all let me know what y'all want to see. I'll bring that kind of content. But we in the RT. I had got my rotors fixed earlier. That's gonna be in the vlog. Well, not the vlog, but the day in the life video over there on my other channel, day in the life of a Dodge Charger RT owner. So y'all boys can go check that out as well. And yeah, passing QT currently. But y'all boys just sit back, relax. I'm gonna start talking, let y'all boys listen to the car, man. I'm gonna go and crack the window too. Alright, y'all boys, as we are getting on the highway, I'm already going to the highway with the new rotors, man. Sounding good, but let me go and start talking, let y'all boys hear the whips. on y'all, but I gotta grab a quick thumbnail. Alright, y'all boys, is indeed back. I had went ahead and lit up the window for y'all boys. Make sure y'all boys do indeed like, comment, and subscribe though. I'm trying to run this channel up, man. I ain't gonna lie. Man, I love the sound of this car. I gotta say that, y'all, but I cannot lie. It sounds amazing, man. And it's still, it ain't even straight pipe yet, man. So when I get a straight pipe, it's gonna be crazy. But if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure it's just rear resonators. Pull for y'all boys. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, man, y'all gotta stay tuned in for that Day in the Life with Dodge Charger RT owner over there on my main channel. But yeah, getting a lot popping for this RT right here, man. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie though, for y'all youngers that get these cars, man, y'all gotta make sure y'all stay safe out here. Make sure y'all keep on y'all seatbelts. I know, hey, it might sound lame, but hey, listen. It's better being lame than shoot you being dead some way, man. So make sure y'all boys stay safe out here. Y'all boys keep them seatbelts on, man. Y'all gonna get y'all these cars, you know, it's a gift from God to be able to even get one. So, you know what I'm saying, you gotta cherish that gift, you know what I'm saying, take good care of it, keep the maintenance up, stuff like that. And that's why I'm giving y'all that Day in the Life video, so I kind of give y'all a rundown of, you know, what you should suspect, you know, as a Dodge Charger RT owner, man. So, but let me share that though. I'm gonna let y'all listen to the car, man. Like, we got some traffic going on up here though. We're gonna slow down for y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys, I hate these roads right here. If y'all know where these roads at, bro, I hate these roads, bro. They need to hurry up and fix them, bro. I'm tired of riding over these roads, bro. Messing up my tires sometimes. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't too much rocking with that. accident in the highway, y'all boys. The window cracked a little bit, so y'all boys can hear a little something. I'm probably about to run to this gas station real quick. Take just a quick flex through it. Just cause. Some chill shit. I wish I could run through that car wash, but it ain't even gonna serve no purpose, cause like, nigga, like, probably gonna get on your shit regardless. It ain't even no point. But yeah, it's probably where I'm gonna wrap up the video, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. Then get out and show y'all a little overview of the car, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thumbnail picture, and yeah, we gonna end out this video right here, man. Make sure y'all boys do like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy SRTG Brazy. I'll give y'all a little walk around quick, of course. But y'all boys gotta let me know what kind of content y'all wanna see. That's something real. Cause yeah, it be go down. I'm gonna let y'all see the last split. There we go. That boy gotta let me know what y'all wanna see, man. Oh God. Yeah, a little overview. That's gonna be it.